This one thing will improve your English pronunciation by 90%. For advanced English learners, perfecting pronunciation can be the final hurdle to achieving fluency and sounding like a native speaker. While many techniques can help improve pronunciation, there's one highly effective method that can significantly enhance your pronunciation by up to 90%, shadowing. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a language learning technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say as closely as possible, mimicking their intonation, rhythm, and pronunciation. This method helps you internalize the sounds and patterns of the language, leading to more natural and accurate speech. Why shadowing is effective? 1. Mimics natural speech. By repeating after native speakers, you learn the natural rhythm and intonation of the language, which is often missing in traditional language learning methods. Shadowing forces you to focus on the subtle nuances of pronunciation, enhancing your ability to distinguish and replicate these sounds. 2. Improves listening skills. 3. Enhances muscle memory. Regular practice helps train the muscles involved in speech, leading to better control and articulation. 4. Immediate feedback. Listening to yourself and comparing it with the native speaker provides immediate feedback, allowing you to correct errors on the spot. How to practice shadowing? Step 1. Choose your material. Select audio or video content that is clear and engaging. This could be podcasts, TED Talks, audiobooks, or YouTube videos featuring native speakers. Ensure the content is at an appropriate level for your understanding and interest. Example, choose a TED Talk on a topic you enjoy and find a transcript of the speech to follow along. Step 2. Listen first. Listen to the audio or video without trying to shadow. Pay attention to the speaker's intonation, rhythm, and pronunciation. Note any challenging words or phrases. Example, watch the TED Talk once, focusing on how the speaker emphasizes certain words and uses pauses. Step 3. Repeat and imitate. Play the audio or video again, but this time, repeat what the speaker says as closely as possible. Try to mimic their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Don't worry about understanding every word at first, the goal is to imitate the sounds. Example, start the TED Talk again and repeat each sentence immediately after the speaker. Step 4. Record yourself. Recording yourself while shadowing can provide valuable feedback. Listen to the recording and compare it with the original. Identify areas where your pronunciation differs and focus on those parts. Example, use your phone to record yourself shadowing the TED Talk. Play back the recording and compare it to the original video. Step 5. Slow down and focus on problem areas. If certain words or phrases are particularly challenging, slow down the audio and practice those parts repeatedly. Use tools like YouTube's playback speed feature to help. Example, if you struggle with specific words, Slow the TED Talk to 0.75x speed and focus on repeating those words accurately. Step 6. Gradually increase speed. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the speed until you can shadow the speaker in real time. This progression helps build fluency and confidence. Example, once comfortable at 0.75x speed, try shadowing the TED Talk at normal speed. Additional tips for effective shadowing. 1. Consistency is key. Regular practice is essential. Aim to practice shadowing for at least 15 to 20 minutes daily. 2. Use a variety of sources. Exposure to different accents, speaking styles, and contexts can enhance your ability to adapt and improve. 3. Focus on intonation and rhythm. Pay special attention to the rise and fall of the speaker's voice and the natural flow of their speech. 4. Be patient. Improvement takes time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small milestones along the way. Practical exercises to enhance pronunciation. Exercise 1. Mimic native speakers. Find short clips of native speakers and mimic their speech. Focus on matching their intonation and rhythm as closely as possible. Example, watch a 1-minute clip of a movie or TV show and try to mimic the dialogue exactly as spoken. Exercise 2. Tongue twisters. Practice tongue twisters to improve your articulation and speech clarity. This exercise also helps with mastering difficult sounds. Example, try repeating, "She sells seashells by the seashore," multiple times, focusing on clarity and speed. Exercise 3. Shadowing songs. Shadowing songs can be a fun way to practice pronunciation. Sing along with your favorite English songs, paying attention to the pronunciation and rhythm of the lyrics. Example, choose an English song you enjoy and practice singing along, imitating the singer's pronunciation. Shadowing is an incredibly effective method for improving English pronunciation. By consistently practicing this technique, you can enhance your fluency, listening skills, and overall confidence in speaking. Remember to be patient and persistent, and soon you'll notice significant improvements in your pronunciation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more language learning tips and lessons.